So we started looking at various ways that we were going to try to help our customers get through this summer if we didn't have enough water. And one of the ideas that came up or was suggested is, gosh, if we could give our customers recycled water to take home that they could use to, either supplement or replace the use of drinking water for irrigation around their garden, around their trees and things like that, we may be able to help our customers in that way. So able to get the approval of the two regulatory boards in order to proceed, and we got that by June. So we were able to implement the program, and we actually opened up our residential recycled water facility on June 12th. We started out, our mechanics came out here and they built three fill stations, which I thought was overkill because, to be honest, I thought we'll be lucky if we get a handful of people that want to do this. And I kind of thought after the first couple times people come, they're going to realize this is a lot of work. I don't want to do this anymore, and they'll quit. But the program kind of went the opposite way. We started out with 30 people that were interested, and here we are about 2 months later, and we're at almost 400 people that are signed up. And in a typical day, we'll have 150 people come and get water. So the system, I should say the program, is just ballooned way beyond what any of us ever expected. Mm-hmm. So it's been very successful. So we've had to expand it. I think 3-4 times now. We're currently up to 8 fill stations. We have a Facebook page, and it's seems to be very popular, where the customers are sharing ideas about where to get tanks. First time customers come in, they get their training from our attendant. They can print the user agreement at home, read all through that. That's actually got all the instructions on it. They sign their user agreement. Once they complete the training with our attendant, then we issue them an ID card. And they, are very proud to show that every time they come, because that identifies that they have been through the training. They're ready to go. They know what to do and those kind of things. So once they've got their ID card and they've signed their user agreement, they're good to go and go ahead and get filled. Most of our customers will come in with containers that they've bought or obtained someplace, and we'll put a sticker on their container that shows that it's recycled water. It says "Do not drink" on there, and it's a purple sticker, so it identifies it as as recycled. I think this program we're going to need to continue it until this drought goes away. Mm-hmm. And we've actually had some people say, "Gosh, you guys are going to continue this after the drought's over?" Because there's some people that just think this is so neat, they want to continue doing it even if there isn't a drought. The other benefit, I think, of the program is it introduces people to recycled water. We're kind of building a legion of people that are now going to be recycled water supporters. And as the future California goes forward and our water supply gets more and more impacted as the years go by with climate change, global climate change and all those kind of things, we're going to have to look at new sources of water. I think this is one way we're going to be able to kind of buy a little more public acceptance of recycled water as being one of our sources of water that we can use a second time for other purposes.